TipLearns.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipLearns. This is it, it's the big day. I'm finally here, I'm back in Winchester for my postgraduate study and I'm here to collect all my books today and get all that sort of stuff sorted, and then in a couple of days time I'll be starting my first lectures, so just wanted to give you an update on what's going to be happening with the channel in the meantime. So essentially I'll be lecturing 2 days a week, and then the rest of the off time will be spent independent study, that sort of thing. What this means is hopefully you shouldn't miss any videos. If you do, however, it should only be for 1 week. It just means everything's gotten on top of me a little bit. I'll be spending most of my time here in Winchester or at home still. You can expect the same sort of content, it's just the schedule of that content may have to change slightly. As you can see from the different footage that I'm putting in around here, Winchester's a really beautiful campus. It's great to be here and it's got one of the best libraries I've ever been into. I've got to go and pick up all my books today. I've got 15 core reading books, about 45 optional ones. I'm not sure how many of those I'm going to make it through, but I'm going to try. Lectures start in 2 days. I'll have 2 lectures on a Monday, which may mean that I won't be able to upload videos on Mondays anymore. Depending on what my schedule looks like, it may have to change to later in the week or a weekend, or I'm not sure, it may even be fortnightly. Essentially, just a quick video to say if I do miss a week, don't panic, the channel isn't shutting down, I'm just bogged down with work. I'll try and keep some video updates as I go along with this as well, keep you in the loop of what's happening, what I'm learning, and hopefully I'll be able to bring more theoretical videos to the channel as well, like the basics for beginners stuff, the Gestalt principle videos, things like that, as I learn more. So wish me luck, I'm about to dive head first. Here we go.
So I've managed to get some of this semester's reading. That's just the core module books. There's about 45 optional books, which I haven't found yet. I'm going to work my way through these first and see where that gets me. It's not too many.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.